Big Kids English Classroom. Let's learn with simple techniques by B.K. Masne.
A Teenager's Prayer. Features and Paraphrase. A Teenager's Prayer is a poem composed by J. Morse. The poem has simple language for easy understanding. The poet has used metaphoric expressions to present his thoughts. This poem consists of 5 stanzas. Each stanza carries 4 lines. It has a beautiful use of different poetic devices like consistent stanza and rhyme pattern, also an effective use of figures of speech. A teenager is praying God, hence teenager is speaker or narrator in this poem. The teenager seeks help from God to take the proper decisions. He prays God to give him the eyesight with which he can see and choose the right way of ideal life. The teenager wishes blessings of God to avoid temptations. If he develops the habit of avoiding temptations, he can keep his mind and body clean and fit for his complete life. With the company of God means the company of good thoughts and morals. The teenager wishes to see his teenage years were the best and an ideal platform for the rest of life. A Teenager's Prayer. Questions in the margin, page number 3. A Teenager's Prayer. English Workshop. Activity number 1. Choose the correct alternative and complete the given sentences. Activity number 2. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Activity number 3. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following options. Activity number 4. Match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. Activity number 5. Elements of planning an interview. Group activity. Form groups and discuss each element of planning an interview and prepare notes on each element. Friends, as it is a group activity, you should have to make discussions with your friends and write some necessary elements with the help of given guidelines of planning an interview. Some possible elements are: Number 1. Format or structure. It should include name of the interviewee, name of the interviewer, topic of the interview, venue, date, time and duration, a questionnaire around 10 questions. Number 2. Size or length. An ideal interview should not be more than 30 minutes. Number 3. Do's and don'ts, rules and regulations. Use very polite interrogation. Place a proper background before every question. Conversation should sound like a real interview. Avoid very personal questions. Avoid very casual, cheap and vulgar language. Number 4. Type of questions. Yes-no type questions or WH type questions. Mix up of yes-no and WH type questions. Activity number 6. Prepare a set of 10 questions to interview any successful teenager. An interview should follow these 3 steps: beginning, a set of questionnaire, concluding. Let's see beginning. Welcome sir or madam. We are very happy to see you here among us today. First of all, congratulations for your successful journey and achievements. We are very eager to know about this successful teenage journey or your career. Questionnaire or set of questions. Number 1. Will you tell us about your family and childhood days? Number 2. When did you decide to choose this career? Number 3. How did your parents support you in your decision? Number 4. Who is your role model in this field? Number 5. Whose guidance or training has groomed you? Number 6. What efforts have you taken to achieve this milestone? 7. Do you have a memorable incident in this success journey? Number 8. What awards or rewards have you received? Number 9. Will you share your future plans in this field with us? And number 10. What message will you like to give them who want to make career in this field? Concluding an interview. Thank you sir, madam, for giving your valuable time and sharing your inspiring success journey and words of encouragement. A teenager's prayer. Activity 8. Compose a short prayer in English asking God to guide you in your teenage years. Later, you can even try to make the lines rhyme to give it a poetic form. Friends, composing a poem or prayer is a genius work. If we follow some simple steps, we may give it a try to compose our own lines. Let's see some simple steps. Understand the topic of your poem. Write as many words as you can related to the topic of your poem. Find the rhyming words from the words you have written. Try to compose your lines by using those rhyming words in the end of your lines. Try to compose minimum 3 to 4 stanzas. Give a message in the last stanza for readers. Let's see some lines. A teenager's prayer. Teenage is a root of life, they say. Hence, O God, I pray. O Lord, show me the right way on which I step my each day. I wish I reach my goals of leading my life with morals. Lord, stay me away from all quarrels. Give me the light that ignites souls. Activity number 9. Look around in your vicinity, your family, friends, neighbors, classmates, etc. and write about any 4 teenagers who have made a name for themselves by doing something extraordinary.